Points which lie on the same line are collinear points because they're on the same line, so they're collinear. They're friends. They've got something in common, and that thing that they have in common is that they're all on the same line. So we call them collinear points. In Figure 5, point B is between A and C. A, B, and C are collinear points because they all lie on the same line. They're all friends because they have something in common, and that thing that they have in common is that they're all on the same line. If you notice, B is the point that joins A and C. So if we add A and B together, and then we add B and C together, we get AC, and B would be the between point, or the betweenness of points. If we were to write it out, AB plus BC, B is the joining point, or the point that's between A and C, and when we add them, we get AC, and that equals betweenness of point, or that's called betweenness of points. This concept where B is in the middle joining A and C is called betweenness of points. All this is going to come together once we start doing theorems and proofs and postulates. Let's answer some questions here. Collinear points are points lying on the same line. So we're going to write C here. Congruent segments are segments with the same length. So we're going to put E here. A line segment are two endpoints and all the points between them. So if we have a line with 2 points, A and B, a line segment is everything in between A and B. Okay? A postulate is a self-evident statement. In other words, an obvious observation. It's something that is obvious. It's an obvious statement. That's a postulate. And so we're going to put B here. And a ray is an endpoint and all the points along the extension in the direction it's drawn. So remember I said a ray starts at one point and keeps on going without limit in one direction. So we have a ray and then all the points along the extension in the direction of the ray. So everything from where it starts until where it stops. That would be a ray. And that all those points include the definition of a ray. All those points that you could be put between where the ray starts and where it ends, which is infinity, is part of the ray. Do you remember what postulate 1 says? It says that only one straight line, I should probably write smaller, hold on. Only one straight line can be drawn through 2 points and 2 points determine a straight line. Okay, now write the symbol used to indicate a ray. The symbol used to indicate a ray is that one. So if you want to say ray AB, you would write it like that. Okay. If you want to say line segment AB, you would just draw a line above AB. That means line segment. If you want to name a ray, you draw AB plus the little arrow on top of the A and the B. A straight line, oh man, I wrote too big again. Postulate 2 is a straight line is the shortest connecting 2 points in a plane. Is a straight line is the shortest line, connecting 2 points in a plane. AB is read as line AB. Here they're asking us to name 2 rays. Well, we can say that ray AD, we can say ED, I'm sorry, ray ED. Remember when we're talking about a ray, we put a little arrow on top, or we can say ray ED. Ray ED. That would be naming 2 rays here. Scratch that. FD. FD. Sorry about that. We have ray ED and ray FD. Ray ED starts at point E and keeps going all the way. Ray FD starts at point F and keeps going all the way, unlimited. Now they want us to name 2 line segments. Well, the line segments would be DE or ED, put a line up there, and EF, put a line up there. If E is between D and F, so we've got E between D and F, so E is the betweenness of points, right? So here they say, if E is between D and F, then D, E, and F are collinear. First of all, they're friends because they're on the same line. They have that in common, that all 3 of them are in the same line. Like you're friends with people that go to the same school because you have that in common, or that live in your same neighborhood, or maybe that go to your same church, so you have something in common. Well, D, E, and F are collinear points because they have the same line in common. And here what they want us to write is that DE plus EF equals DF. DE plus EF equals DF. Find the measure of each line segment. Well, that's something you're going to have to do on your own because I don't have a ruler. And so you've got to pull out your ruler and you're going to measure the distance from here to here. And then you're going to measure the distance from here to here. After you do that and you write it down here, you're going to be done with this page.